India is the world's largest cotton supplier, producing over 6 million tons annually, which accounts for more than 20% of the global supply. This abundance of raw material, combined with advanced textile manufacturing capabilities, has made India a global hub for denim production. As demand for high-quality, durable fabrics grows, Indian manufacturers, led by renowned names like Raymond and Arvind, are excelling in innovation, sustainability, and craftsmanship. The country is also home to reliable jeans manufacturers that offer quality, technology, and tailored solutions. NoName Company is a trusted jeans manufacturer that produces high-quality denim garments from sustainable materials. They offer flexible manufacturing services, including white and private labels, ideal for small to mid-size brands. With a strong global supplier network and strict quality control, NoName ensures comfort, durability, and style. Discover how NoName is at the forefront of India's denim legacy by combining innovation and sustainability. Partner with us to elevate your denim brand. Visit our website to start your journey toward high-quality, sustainable fashion. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.